Yes.
Hi, I'm from Rocky Horrors and I'm hopefully going to show you how to change one of these bits, which you can see is missing. That's the front, that's the rear, and it should have one of these on. They sometimes break if you kick them against curbs or just scrape them too much on the floor, but you can replace them. You can find them on our website, but I'll show you how to fix them. First of all, you have to make sure you have the right one, because there's two sizes. There's the small one and the bigger one. The best way to tell the difference is by looking at the larger end. You can see they slope. Check the larger ends next to each other. You can see there that this is the small one and that's the bigger one. To check them on your boot, get the larger end and hold it against the bottom. It goes into those slots. Just have a look at it on the bottom like that. You can see that that's too small, so you need the bigger one. That's the bigger one, and you can see that would be the right size. That's the larger end of the metal piece, and hold it on the bottom of the sole there. So this is going to go onto there. The only tool you need is this, a fork. That's all I'm using today anyway. First of all, hold the boot like this. Get this larger end to the bottom. Get closer for that. That just slots in there like that.
Do you do nose rings before them? That really put it?
And then push it on.
I can't get the ball in this one.
See the top? It's coming round. Just prise it over with the fork.
Yeah, but this one I just can't get the ball back in it.
And then press it in.
Yeah.
That's it. Finished. All we have to do now is do it all over again with the other one. So, I'll just show you again. Get the right one, the big one. Slot it in there like that. Push it over. Prise it in with the fork. There you are. A pair of new rocks with tower soles and new back pieces. Takes 5 minutes.